Alright, so this morning I'm making crock pot candy, and I'm getting that started because it takes quite a bit to do it in a slow cooker. So for each batch that you want to make, you need 4 ounces of the, okay, let's get the butter out of the way. I'm melting that for something else. So I need 4 ounces of German's sweet chocolate bars, a pound, or 2 pounds, sorry, of the white chocolate, 1 thing of dry roasted peanuts, 24 ounces, and 12 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I found the minis here. So I'm going to be doubling the recipe, and I do not have quite 2 pounds of the white chocolate. I found melting wafers, and they're 10 ounces each. So what I'm going to do is I have a couple of the dark, Ghirardelli dark melting wafers. I'm going to add into this. Chocolate's chocolate, and it's all going to turn out wonderful. So there I go. And what I'm going to do is add it all to the crock pot. And then I'm going to cook it for 1 hour. But what I'm doing is I'm putting all this stuff in the crock pot except for the peanuts. And I'm going to wait on those peanuts, but here we go. I've got some of the white chocolates in, some of the semi-sweets. Here's the German chocolate bar. Alright. Go for some more of the white chocolates. Dark chocolate, and the semi-sweet morsels. Now I found a really good deal on the chocolate at Aldi's. So if you have an Aldi's around, look for your baking supplies there. Right now it's really cost effective. Alright, so I have all these in here, and I'm going to cook it. I'm going to put it on low. This one gets pretty hot. So I'm going to cook it on low for 1 hour, and then I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. But it has to cook a total of 2 hours, but I'm going to leave it alone for 1 whole hour, and then I'm going to start stirring it. Okay, sorry people, it's a little bit dark over here, but I have this. It's in the corner of my dining room, and it's been a little bit longer than an hour. I'll get in here and stir this up. It smells really good. I need my stove for other things, so this is almost melted. It's been in here about an hour and a half, melting up. So yummy. I could dive right into this. Alright, so I'm going to put the lid back on it and check on it in a half hour. All right. Okay. Sorry again. I'm still doing laundry, and you'll hear the dryer in the background. So I am going to let this cool a little bit here in this pot. And then I'm going to put it on little drops on spoonfuls. Thank you. I need my words today. So I'm going to put spoonfuls of this on some parchment paper. If you have wax paper, that works too. But anyway, I'm going to let this cool just a few minutes since it's really hot before I start doing that. And that way it'll set up a little bit better in clusters. Alright, there you go. Tell me what variations you use. I've started dipping out of this, and I put it on parchment paper, cookie sheet lined with parchment paper. You see how, you know, here's my finger next to it. These are bite size, you know, so they're like little individual candies. So if somebody's not really into a lot of sweets, this is perfect because they can just take one bite and move on. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It takes me 2 hands, and I don't have my tripod set up, so let me get back to working on this. Alright folks, here is what I'm keeping of the candy. I've already got the others all boxed up and stuff to give away as gifts, and little housewarming gifts for people that I'm going to go be visiting. So, friends and family. Anyway, this is what I'm keeping for myself. And try it. It's really good. So, I just let it cool on the parchment papers overnight. And voila. I have candy. Alright. Again, let me know down in the comments if you have any kind of variations, what you might add to this. I'm willing to try some new stuff. Okay? Love you all. Have a great day. Bye-bye.